Hello students, welcome to JVSS Homework Club. Today we are going to study about parts of speech. Parts of speech. We can categorize English words into 8 basic types: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Parts of speech help us to analyze sentences and understand them. First, noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, idea, or state of mind. Let's see the example of noun. The cat sat on the chair. Mumbai is the populated city. I live in Australia. Jenny is my sister. I visited the Taj Mahal in India. In the all sentence, cat, chair, Mumbai, city, Australia, Jenny, sister, Taj Mahal and India. These are the example of nouns. Next, pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in a place of a proper noun or common noun. Examples. Look at Mike, he is a good boy. They are playing cricket. My mother loves me very much. She has green eyes. You are my friend. In the all sentence, he, they, my, me, she and you. These are the example of the pronoun. Let's see adjective. Adjective is a word which describes or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Examples. We order for 2 cups coffee. I live in a beautiful house. A week has 7 days. Which road shall we take? In the all sentence, 2, beautiful, 7 and which. These are the example of adjectives. Next is verb. Verb is a word or a phrase that expresses an action or state of being. Examples. The baby is sleeping. I read my book. She plays the drum. I help the poor. In the all sentence, sleeping, read, plays, help. These are the example of the verb. Now let's see adverb. An adverb is a part of a speech that describes or modifies a word, adjective, another adverb, clause or sentence. Now let's see the examples. Sam runs quickly. She spoke softly. He plays the flute beautifully. The movie is starting now. In the all sentence, quickly, softly, beautifully and now. These are the examples of the adverb. Preposition. Preposition is a word that indicates the relationship between a noun and the other words of the sentence. Example. They walk in the morning. I am going to market. They have gone out of the room. Your gift is inside the box. In the all sentence, in, to, out of, inside, these words are the preposition. Next, conjunction. A conjunction is a word which connects two words or clauses or sentences, phrases and show the relationship between them. Example. She bought a shirt and a book. We can meet you wherever you want. While I was playing in the park, he came. In the all sentence, and, wherever, while, these are the example of the conjunction. Next, interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses a strong emotion. It expresses emotion of joy, sorrow, excitement, pain, happiness and so on. Let's see the examples. I dropped my phone again. Oof. Oh, what a nice view. Well, she got a job. Ouch. Don't bite Tommy. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for get notification of our next video.